Safari browser comes pre-installed on every iPhone and most of us use it daily without thinking twice. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 powerful hidden features in Safari that can completely change the way you browse the internet. Let's begin. Let's say you want to share an article with a friend and you want them to focus on one specific line. Just select the exact text on the web page. Tap the arrow in the pop-up menu and choose Copy Link with Highlight. It copies the URL and you can share it with your friend. When your friend opens it, the page automatically scrolls to that exact text and highlights it. This one is genuinely a hidden gem. If a web page feels cluttered with ads and banners, or it's blinding white, even though your phone is in dark mode, Safari has a fix. Tap this icon on the address bar and select Show Reader. Safari strips away distractions and shows only the core content in a clean, readable layout. It also follows your system appearance, so it switches to dark mode if your iPhone is in dark mode. And here's the best part. You can tap Summarize to get a quick summary of the entire article in few words. Perfect when you don't want to read a 10-minute article. If you don't want to switch to reader mode and prefer removing only specific elements, you can do that as well. Tap the page settings icon in the address bar and choose Hide Distracting Items. Now you can tap specific banners, overlays, or annoying elements and hide them individually. They disappear smoothly with a satisfying particle scatter animation. It gives you control without leaving the website. This feels like a mini game. I keep doing this at times, just for fun. Safari also lets you capture an entire web page, not just what's visible on your screen. Take a normal screenshot. In the preview, go to Full Page tab. Now you can scroll through the entire web page as one long document and save it as a PDF or a picture. This is extremely useful for saving articles and documentation. Safari looks simple on the surface, but once you start using these features, it feels like a completely different browser. Try them out and let me know which is your favorite Safari feature in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.